We are at the booth of Huasun. We have Christian Comas, who is going to explain what is the top product they are promoting at this SNEC 2024 show here at Shanghai. Christian.
Hi, thank you for the question. We have basically two very important things. Let's start with the first one that is more expected. We have zero busbar applied on heterojunction. For those who don't know zero busbar, it is the technology that is bringing down the cost of heterojunction to the level of TOPCon by increasing efficiency, reducing the use of silver, and allowing that we use even thinner wafers than before, going even below 100 micrometers. All of those steps are necessary to match the cost of TOPCon, and now they are applied on mass production. That is the important, but I'm going to say almost boring news. We have something much more exciting here.
Wow.
And what we have is this. It looks like very old full cells, right? They are not. The first thing you see is they are also zero busbar, so it is really done with the latest technology. And these here are tandem perovskite heterojunction cells.
Wow.
Working tandem perovskite heterojunction cells. And they are part of what we will have until the end of the year, which is a working full module sample of tandem perovskite heterojunction in order for us to go testing and to bring into the mass market maybe within 2 years. And that is really
That's pretty
the most
quiet.
exciting thing today.
And when this product, the zero busbar, is available commercially?
It is already available. It is not 100% of our production. We are updating line by line. We expect that by the end of this year, most of our lines, if not all, will be in zero busbar.
Okay. Thank you, Christian. Looking forward for your perovskite tandem module very soon. Thank you.
Bye.